This morning ritual fuels the world, but how does it scale to millions of bottles a day? This is the factory behind your grab-and-go coffee.
This is where your favorite bottled coffee begins. But how do these beans become a smooth, ready-to-drink beverage?
First, every bean is meticulously cleaned and sorted for quality. The beans are roasted to develop their signature flavor and aroma. They're then ground to the perfect coarseness, ideal for cold extraction.
Here, the magic happens. Ground steep in cold water for hours, not minutes, to extract a smooth, less acidic brew.
The liquid is then filtered multiple times until it's crystal clear.
This creates a highly concentrated coffee essence.
The concentrate is blended with other ingredients to create the final recipe.
It's flash pasteurized to ensure safety and a long shelf life without sacrificing taste.
The coffee is chilled rapidly, locking in freshness for bottling. Meanwhile, bottles are prepared on a separate line.
Every bottle is cleaned and sterilized from the inside out.
A shot of nitrogen removes oxygen, keeping the coffee fresher for longer.
Capped and hermetically sealed in an instant. Each bottle receives its iconic label.
Lasers check fill levels, and each bottle is coated for freshness.
Bottles are grouped into multi-packs for the store shelf.
Robots pack them into cases for shipping. Cases are stacked onto pallets with robotic precision.
Pallets are wrapped to secure the load for transport.
Samples from every batch are tested in the lab to ensure perfect quality.
The final product, ready to be shipped to stores and coolers everywhere.
From bean to bottle, a perfect blend of traditional craft and modern factory precision. If you enjoyed this look inside a coffee factory, subscribe for more tours of how things are made.